Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to shoot black and white video on Android. If you want to shoot black and white video on your Android device, follow these steps. First method, using camera filters, built-in feature. Open the camera app on your Android phone, then switch to video mode. Look for filters or effects option. This may be in settings menu or as an icon like 3 circles on the screen. Choose a black and white or monochrome filter. Then tap the recording button to start recording your video in black and white. Last method, using developer options, system-wide grayscale. Enable developer options by going to Settings, About Phone or My Phone, then tap on Version Info. Tap build number 7 times until you see you are now a developer. Activate grayscale mode. Go to Settings, then Developer Options. Scroll down to Simulate Color Space and choose Monochromacy. Open your camera app and record the video. Everything on your screen, including the video, will be black and white. For better quality, black and white videos, consider using third-party apps like Filmic Pro, Open Camera, or Blackcam for the Play Store. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.